Kia ora koutou. Today we are having a look at how to post on Seesaw. So I'm using a laptop today, but you can do it on your phone or a tablet using the app, and it's a very similar process. So we go to the website or the app, and you're signing in as a teacher, and you can just use the sign in as Google option. You may have to verify your account. And then that should take you into Seesaw. As you can see, I'm currently on room 1. Now, depending on which rooms you're assigned to, I'm assigned to all the rooms, so they appear here. So you can click over here to go to the room that you want to. If you're on the journal, that is the whole class in order of posting. Or you can go to an individual child by clicking on the icon. So that's choosing your class. Now, before we go to the posting, I just thought I'd bring to your attention, because you're assigned to all the classes, you get lots of notifications. So if you click up here next to your name, the little settings button there, and we're going to go down to account settings. Now we have to scroll all the way down to notifications here. And you can actually turn off those notifications if you don't want to receive them for every single class. Right, so first thing we'll look at is actually commenting on a student's work. So if you're logged in as a teacher, you can click like on student's work, and it will show up that you have seen it, and it will show up that you have liked it. The other thing you can do is you can write a comment by just clicking on the comment section, and you can write that there. And I'm going to post that comment. And so there it is with the name and the comment that I made, which I can edit or delete later if I need to. Alternatively, you can do a comment by recording it. And this is a good option if you struggle to type. So we click on the microphone, and it's just waiting for me a second attempt to get ready. Kia ora Raika, congratulations, well done on achieving your second goal on Teach Your Monsters to Read. Keep up the great work. And then if I decide, oops, didn't like that, I'm going to delete it and do it again. Congratulations, Raika, you've achieved your second goal on Teach Your Monster to Read. Keep up the great work. Now, I could do a second recording, but I'm going to post that. So with posting, it's really the big green buttons we're looking out for. So now there you can see my name, and I have posted that comment. And that can be deleted at a later date if you do so desire. Okay, so that's the liking and the comments. Now, if you're going to post in students' work, it's this big green button here. Just make sure you're on the class you want. And then you're going to add, and we're going to post in students' work. Now, there's lots of different ways we can post. We can take a photo. Now, this is actually taking a photo directly in Seesaw on your laptop or your phone, so you don't have to upload it. You take the photo. You can add labels. You can record. Kia ora, this is a photo of Martu and Mike. You can add other photos if you really want to. You can put in shapes and backgrounds and things if you really want to. Another voiceover, links to websites. The most common one used is this, is just our caption at the bottom, which is what often quite a lot of teachers use. So if I click the big green tick, and then you choose if this is for all students or if this is for a particular student. So let's say I do it for all students, and then I would click the big green tick again, and now there we have the photo I've taken posted directly on Seesaw. I'm just going to quickly delete that though, since we don't need that on. Now, the other ways to post. So that was the post and student work, big green button, post and student work. So that was the photo. The alternative is the video. So again, similar process. We're just taking a video instead of a photo. And so we would record the video. Then again, you can add labels, voiceovers, backgrounds, links, shapes, and a caption at the bottom if you like. And again, you would post to either an individual child or children, or you can post to all. Now, I'm not going to post that one just yet. Right, now other drawing options. This is probably the main one you're going to use, is the upload, where you can upload either from your Google Drive or from the computer, and you can add videos, or you can add photos. You can add more than one photo. Okay, you can add PDFs and documents. Again, we click the big green arrow, and again I can add labels, voiceover, other photos, backgrounds and shapes. When we look at backgrounds, it's just colorings. And again, a caption at the bottom. You can also record a caption at the bottom, like you did for the comments on the kids. So here are some tube ideas for art. So it can be as a caption, and again we would big green tick, decide if it's going to all children or just to one or more than one, and then big green tick to post again, and there we have it showing up in Adam's feed with the voice over. I'm just going to take that one out. Right, posting, and so those are the main ones: the photo, the video, and the upload. Just these other ones you can use. This link here is really, if you say found a cool YouTube link, perhaps that you wanted to post up for your students, copy the web address, and we're just pasting it into the link. When you tick that, the website or the link should show up. Again, you can add things to it, captions, backgrounds, caption at the bottom, or labels. Green tick to post, again deciding who it goes to. Big green tick, and then it is posted. And even after you've posted, you can still comment and like and add things at that point too. Right, so that was the link. And if you just wanted to write a note, here's our notepad. Okay, and you can actually copy photos into here and links as well. But again, that's just like a notepad if you wanted to write a note. Again, big green tick. You can record what you've written, and then again, posting into the student's work. This is the drawing tool. Now, this is quite a cool little tool. It's just a blank page. It's like a whiteboard. So I've got different pencils and pens that you can do stuff with. So if you really wanted to do something in there, you could. It's basically just creating your own piece of work. Again, you can add photos whether you take a photo, add it in there, or upload a photo or a video. Adding in shapes or backgrounds or links, and a caption at the bottom. So that's the drawing tool, which you can use if you wanted to create something And again, same process, big green tick, choosing who it's going to, and then big green tick again, posting onto the class wall. Now, unfortunately, you can't cross-post across classes, so it does have to be done within that class context. So, unfortunately, you can't post for one student in room 2 at the same time as you can in another room. However, if you've done a post, you can do things like copy, and then change classes, and you would be able to paste that information. Hopefully that helps. Good luck. If you have any trouble, let me know, and I hopefully can help. Ka kite.